Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow location access to the weather app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Weather. Next, in here, tap on Location, and in the allow location access, to allow location, make sure it is not set to never. You can choose ask next time or when I share, or while using the app, or while using the app or widgets, or always. So selecting any of these options down here will allow you to have, or will allow the weather app to have access to location. To disable it, you can select never. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.